Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change payment method on iPhone and iPad in iOS 14, 14.3 or 14.4 beta 1. Mean how to get none option in payment method. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. First of all, we have to go to settings and connect to Wi-Fi, then tap on your profile name. Now tap on media and purchases and tap view account. Here we have to tap on country and region. Now tap again country or region. Now select your country where you are currently living. After that, we have to tap on agree and tap again agree. Now we will get the none option. Select none and fill all these blank fields. Put your street, street 2, street 3, city name, then postcode and tap your phone number. We must have to fill all these fields. After that, tap on next and done. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.